Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Solera biggest hiring next mail. Many candidates are receiving this update Cognitive Assessment Associate Software Engineer. In the video we will discuss about Solera exam pattern and if you already completed test, what is the next step. Like and share the video. I already created the Solera exam pattern. When you write on the YouTube like Solera exam pattern, so you will find this video that I uploaded 5 days ago. I shared this hiring as a referral as well, and I shared this opportunity as on direct link as well. Both are active. Apply for opportunity. You are from 21 to 25 batch. You can easily apply for opportunity. 0 to 3 years of experience they are asking. First of all, mention in the comment section what's your current status of Solera. Suppose you applied for opportunity, you completed cognitive test or not. Suppose you completed the cognitive test, mention in the comment section cognitive test completed. Suppose you completed the cognitive test and you received the coding test, so mention in the comment section that you received the coding test. Suppose you completed the cognitive and coding test both and you received the interview mail and you completed your interview or you are waiting for your interview, so share your experience in comment section. It will very helpful for all candidates and other candidates. So let's start. First of all, the hiring is active. Again, I am mentioning it is for Bangalore and Hyderabad location. It is unique opportunity and it is for 21 to 25 batch. 22, okay, 23, 24, 25 batch, both are eligible. Many of the candidates are asking like previously in the previous phase 5 to 6 days ago they completed the examination. So if you already completed assessment, don't attend assessment again. Okay, candidate like ask with the Solera team, if you already received this email and completed the assessment, please kindly disregard this message and we will get back to you soon. So this is related to Solera, that suppose if you already completed the assessment, so no need to no need to basically attend the assessment again because you already attended the assessment previously. Okay, just wait for the next step from the Solera team. Next step is Solera Cognitive Assessment Associate Software Engineer. You received this type of mail. Dear candidate, thank you for your interest in Associate Software Engineer. As part of next step, we request you to complete the Microsoft form. Submission of some basic details and assessment to be completed within 24 hours of receiving this email. Okay, there is a form. You have to submit your basic details. Okay, and you have to complete the assessment. Assessment link is available in the form itself. Okay, in the form the assessment link is available. 20 minutes of aptitude test are there and 10 minutes of personality test. Total 30 minutes of assessment are there. Please ensure that you complete and submit the form within the specified time frame. The specified time frame is 24 hours within the receiving this email. Okay, so next step with Solera Cognitive Assessment, they clearly mention here, provide the requested details and complete the assessment in the second section within 24 hours. The total duration of assessment is 30 minutes, 20 minutes of aptitude test and 10 minutes of personality test. Okay. First of all, fill the full name here, contact number, email ID, experience if you have any. Okay, what's your education, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, PhD and others. Fine. What's your branch and stream, and after that year of passing. 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 batch is also there. Okay, so that's why I am saying that apply for opportunity. It is one of the good hiring. Percentage and CGPA, preferred work location Bangalore, Hyderabad and either. How soon you can join Solera if selected. Okay, what's your college name, and next step with Solera, that is a cognitive assessment. So it is a step number second. Okay, and it is step number second. I suggest the complete the assessment then submit the form. It will okay for you. So the cognitive and personality assessment will be there. First of all, aptitude assessment, 20 minutes of time are there and total 40 question will be asked. Okay, there is no camera. Okay, or there is a direct link. You have to like complete the assessment. Okay, but I suggest complete the assessment by your own because later the coding assessment will also there and later the interviews are also there, and workplace behavior assessment 10 minutes and total 28 questions are there. So what about the aptitude assessment? So the cognitive assessment measure your ability to solve a problem, learn skill and think critically. This portion include question of basic maths, pattern recognition and verbal ability. Okay, so in the aptitude, total 20 minutes of time are there and 40 questions are there. Basics max related questions are there. Okay, we can understand that like equation related question and verbal ability related question, English related question, true false statement and other related question, and pattern recognition question. Pattern recognition means a diagrammatic related question. Diagram based questions आ सकते हैं यहाँ पर. Okay, diagram based question will definitely ask. So this is the part they will ask in the aptitude, and I suggest everyone to go to IndiaBix website or Sen Foundry website, and according to this topic practice question, there are 1000 plus aptitude questions are there. So you need to practice the question. It will very helpful for everyone to solve the more question in less time. Okay, that's the thing, because you have only 20 minutes and you have 40 minutes of time. Second is personality test. The personality assessment is complete by responding to statement about yourself. There are no right or wrong answer and it is self-paced. Okay, so what are the question asked in the particular workplace behavior statement? Suppose you are team player. Okay, this is the question asked in the workplace assessment. Okay, so here some options are mentioned. It is mostly true. Okay, it is mostly true, it is mostly false. Okay, or very true or very false. So this type of questions are there. Like many questions are there. You are patient at your work, or you have patience in your work, and you are team leader, you are team player, you are hard working, you are smart working. There are many statements are there and you have to choose statements. So total 28 question and 10 minutes of time are there. So there is no right or wrong answer and it is self-paced, again I am mentioning. So this is all about the cognitive exam pattern, and I discussed with one of the candidate who applied for this opportunity through our channel. He cleared in the off-campus cognitive and personality test as a first, second is coding test, and third is next is interview. Okay, so first of all you will receive this type of mail from the coding test. Solera invites you to complete a codality assessment. Thank you for your interest in Solera. As a part of hiring process, please complete the assessment link below to showcase your technical skills by solving job related problem. You will be asked to prepare code, answer technical question or both. Once submitted, your response will be automatically scored and result will be sent to Solera hiring team. So this is a codality assessment. Second is coding assessment. Third is next interview. So how many questions are there? Total 3 are there. One is C# and 2 is Java. So C# related question is asked. Okay, one C# related question and 2 Java related question will be asked, and it is easy to medium level. This is shared by one of the candidate. Again I am mentioning, if you completed the coding assessment, share your experience here. It will very helpful for everyone, and I will definitely come up with other video of coding as well. Okay, so I asked to candidate different languages. There are no option to select different languages. First question C# only, 2 Java only, and MCQs are also included. There are 5 sections containing 10 questions covering each technical concept. 5 sections are there. Okay, and they are covering all the technical concept. Next section is coding. First is C# and 2 is Java only. So the thing is, technical MCQs will also ask. Okay, and the coding question will be asked. In the technical MCQ, we can expect the topics that is related to database management system, object oriented programming concept, operating system, data structures and algorithm. We can expect this type of topic. Candidates are not sure about the MCQ, but again I am mentioning, if you completed the exam, share your experience here. It will very helpful for everyone. I will come up with other video of codality assessment in which we will discuss in details. This is related to Solera as of now. I hope you like the video, and we will meet in the next video. Till complete the assessment, you have 24 hours of time, and apply for opportunity which we are sharing. and the thing is, this is all the good opportunity for all of you. All the best wishes for your examination. Thanks for watching the video.